In this video, I'm going to explain how to get spell scroll inverse piece in Roblox. So basically, you want a spell scroll in case you want it. Actually, it is used for the ability so you can use the skills of Friren, okay, which is basically a new update right now. And if you want to get the spell scroll to be able to use it and to be able to basically unlock and use the skills from Friren, what you can do, it's actually a bit tricky. So now there's a boss which is called the Friren boss, and then to get it, you will need to defeat it. So to be able to get these spell scrolls, you will need to defeat that boss. Now, that boss spawns every 10 to 15 minutes on a random island, okay? So I can't really give you the location because the island can be completely random, so you'll just have to play on the server, and when it spawns, you will have to defeat it. However, it's quite tough since it does have 40 million HP, okay? So just be cautious because, of course, you'll need 40 million HP to be able to actually get it. However, after you defeat it, if you manage to do so, the Friren will drop a loot chest as a reward, and then those spell scrolls can be farmed by defeating the Friren boss. However, it's not guaranteed to drop, so make sure you are online for quite a long time because you're gonna have to be farming quite a bit to be able to get this, but after you do, of course, it's gonna be worth the effort. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.